Hello students, now we learn what is variance. You know the definition of expectation if x is random variable which is continuous random variable or discrete random variable. And also you know the definition of covariance. If x and y are two random variables, then covariance between them is given by covariance of xy is equal to expectation of x minus e of x into y minus e of y. Now what is the definition of variance here? If x is a random variable which is continuous or discrete, then variance of x is given by, so its notation is variance of v of var is given by variance of x is equal to, you write v of x or where var x, variance of x is equal to expectation of x minus e of x square. Now in chapter 2nd, earth moment of a variable about any point and earth moment of a variable about mean. E of x means expectation of x. It is also known as the arithmetic mean or simply mean. Now variance of x, in that chapter we have seen variance of x or v of x is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square, and mu 1 dash is the arithmetic mean, mu 1 dash is the e of x, so you remember that. So variance of x is equal to expectation of x minus e of x square. Now we see one theorem. If x is any random variable and small a b are any constants, then variance of ax plus b is equal to a square into variance of x. Variance of x means expectation of x minus e of x square. Solution or proof of this. Let you take capital Y is equal to ax plus b, number 1. Here you remember that a and b are any constants. Taking expectation on both sides, we get e of y is equal to expectation of ax plus b, and you know the properties of expectation, so this can be written as a into e of x plus b, number 2. So your number 1 is y is equal to x plus b and e of y is a into e of x plus b. Subtracting 2 from 1, subtracting equation 2 from 1, we get, so you subtract left to left and right to right, you get y minus e of y is equal to a x minus a into e of x plus b minus b. So minus b plus b cancel. So you take a common, a into x minus e of x, and left side is y minus e of y. Taking square on both sides, we get, taking square on both sides, we get, so y minus e of y and its square is equal to a square into expectation of x minus e of x square. Then you take the expectation on both sides, you get taking expectation on both sides, we get, so expectation of y minus e of y and its square is equal to a square is constants. You know the properties of expectation. A square, not here e, taking square a into x minus e of x and its square. So a square and expectation of, you remember here we have not taken expectation, only squaring here, and after that we take the expectation of x minus e of x whole square. So by definition of variance, here e of y minus e of square means, so this is the variance of y is equal to a square into expectation of x minus e of square is, this is the variance of x. But what is y? From equation 1, y is equal to ax plus b. So this can be written as variance of ax plus b, y is ax plus b is equal to a square into variance of x or var of x. So you remember this result for in case of variance. If x is random variable and a and b are any constant, then variance of ax plus b is equal to a square into variance of x. Now remark, we see some result from this. Corollary or remark number 1. If a is equal to 0, then, now from this result, variance of x plus b is equal to a square into variance of x, a is equal to 0, then what is variance of, here a is equal to 0 means 0 plus b means variance of b is equal to, a is equal to 0 means 0 into v of x is equal to 0. So you remember, if a is equal to 0, then variance of b is equal to 0. What is b? B is constant. Therefore, variance of constant is equal to 0. In expectation of, if b is constant, then expectation of b is equal to b. That is, expectation of constant is constant, but variance of constant is 0. Number 2, if b is equal to 0, then variance of ax is equal to b0 here. Variance of ax is equal to a square into variance of x. Variance of x is equal to a square into variance of x when b is equal to 0 means variance is independent of change of scale. Variance is independent of change of scale. Then number 3, if a is equal to 1, then a is equal to 1 means variance of x plus b is equal to a is equal to 1 square into variance of x means variance of x. Variance of x plus b is equal to variance of x when a is equal to 1 means variance is independent of change of origin. So here variance is independent of change of scale, variance is independent of change of origin. and variance of constant is 0. So these are the results from this theorem. Now we see one example. Example, if variance of x is equal to 1, where x is any random variable, then find variance of 2x plus 3, where 2 and 3 are constants. Solution. So you know the previous result. We know that variance of ax plus b is equal to a square into variance of x. Now here variance of 2x plus 3 is equal to, using this, a means here 2 square into variance of x. But what is variance of x? Variance of x is 1, it is given. So 2 square into 1. 2 square means 4. 4 into 1 means 4. Therefore, variance of 2x plus 3 is equal to 4. So, in this way, we have the result variance of ax plus b is equal to a square into variance of x. So, we stop here. Thank you.